We have quick specs. Samsung Galaxy M31 has 6 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. It's expandable up to 512 gigs. It has 6.4 inch Full HD Plus display, Super AMOLED display. This comes with Exynos 9611 processor. It has 5 GHz Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth version 5.1 support. It has quad cameras on the back. 64 megapixel main camera, aperture of 1.8, 8 megapixel wide angle camera, aperture of 2.0, 5 megapixel macro camera, aperture of 2.2, 2 megapixel depth sensor, aperture of 2.4. In front we have 32 megapixel main camera, aperture of 2.0. It offers 6000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charging. It also has 3.5 headphone jack and has Dolby Atmos support. Let's unbox this. Here we have quick start guide and warranty information in this. See, quick start guide and warranty information. Let's uncover the phone. It is the phone. Let's keep this aside. Now we have Samsung adaptive fast charger, it is, and Type-C cable. Let's keep all this aside. Let's see the phone. This is Samsung Galaxy M31. Let's power on this. It shows Samsung Galaxy M31 powered by Android. I will quickly set up it and see you in the home screen. In front we have 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display. In top we have secondary noise cancellation mic, and back we have 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 2 megapixel camera setup and fingerprint sensor. At the bottom we have Samsung branding logo, and at the bottom we have speaker grill, primary microphone, Type-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack. Right we have volume rockers, left we have SIM tray. Let's check the software information. It shows Samsung Galaxy M31 device name. Let's see the software information. It's coming with One UI 2.0. It is running on Android version 10. You will get 3-year major updates: Android 11, 12 and Android 13. Let's see the security patch. It's running on July 5th security patch. You will get updates in very soon. Let's check the phone device. We have 64 GB model. Out of 64 GB we are getting 44.6 GB out of the box, and out of 6 GB we are getting 3 GB RAM available out of. Check the SIM tray. In SIM tray we have, it is triple slot. We can put 2 SIMs and a micro SD card at the same time. Okay, let's see the camera. Opening the camera app. They are highlighting the cameras. It is a typical Samsung UI. Here we can switch from wide angle to normal. See, wide angle and to normal. Let's check more. In more we can record slow motion, night, hyperlapse and slow motion and macro shots. And from here we can take macro shots. Have scene optimizer. By using this we can optimize the scene and bring bright colors. By using rear camera we can shoot in 4K. By using front camera we can also record 4K. Oh, that's interesting. And here are other options in camera UI. Let's check live focus. And from here we can take bokeh shots. Adjust bokeh also. Bokeh. Let's see the Pro mode. And from here we can access Pro. By using Pro we can take videos and photos using Pro mode by adjusting the white balance and autofocus. And from here we can access 64 megapixel mode and come to normal mode by using this. Let's see some quick samples of Samsung Galaxy. I'm Ganesh. I'm recording this video using Samsung Galaxy M31 back camera. I'm recording this video in 4K. Check the audio quality and video quality and check the stabilization in 4K. It does not have 4K stabilization, means OIS. It have EIS and it does the works in 4K. Check the audio quality and video quality. This is the wide angle sample of Samsung Galaxy M31's back camera. Wide angle camera does not have support of 4K, so I am recording this video in 1080p. check the audio and video quality and stabilization. And it's coming this much wide. You can record vlogs and camera reviews by using this camera. This is a super steady mode on. By using super steady mode, you can record videos in stable mode, which does not shake or crack in the middle. So by using super steady mode, we can record videos only in 1080p, so quality will decreases. Check the video and audio quality and mainly the stabilization by on super steady mode. This is a front camera sample. Check the audio and video quality of the Samsung Galaxy M31's front camera. I am recording this video in 4K. This does support 4K in front camera. So check the audio and video quality and the colors. This is the slow motion sample. It's recording in 720p 240 fps. Back camera shots, back camera bokeh shots, front camera sample. This is front camera, another sample, back camera wide angle photos, back camera bokeh shots, and front camera bokeh shots. These are another back camera bokeh shots. These are 64MP shots. These are macro shots. Another macro shot. These are normal photos. Let's check the sensors. I am opening the CPU-Z app. It's coming with Exynos 9611 processor, 8-core processor. Device name is SM-M31 5F. It's running on 110. And sensors are, it's having accelerometer, magnetometer, gyroscope, it's downloading some updates. Let it be. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. It's working very accurate but not as fast. See, it's very accurate, not fast, but let's check DRM info. It's showing it has FAT1 N1 certificate, so we can watch Amazon Prime in HD quality and Netflix. Let's check the audio and video quality. Now playing and video.
నమస్కారం ప్రసాద్ చూస్తున్న ప్రసాద్ టెక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇవి సామ్సంగ్ గెలాక్సీ బడ్స్ లైవ్. నేను ఒక 1 వీక్ పైన యూజ్ చేస్తాను. వీడియోలో నా కంప్లీట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గురించి మీతో మాట్లాడతాను, కంప్లీట్ రివ్యూ అయితే చెప్తాను. దీని ప్రకారం మీ డిసిషన్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఇవి తీసుకోవాలి వద్దు. అండ్ ఇంకా మనం దీని బాక్స్ కంటెంట్ చూసుకుంటే బాక్స్ అయితే మీకు ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ఇది మీకు 3 కలర్స్లో వస్తుంది. ఇది వచ్చేసరికి బ్రోంజ్ కలర్, మీకు బ్లాక్ అండ్ వైట్ కలర్స్లో కూడా ఇది అవైలబుల్గా ఉంది. ఒకవేళ మీరు అవి చూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కలర్ వైజ్ అయితే మాత్రం బ్రోంజ్ కలర్